Hello, this is Alice Liu from Team JIE 8128. We are preparing the SMART training log for our client Carla Gilson, who is part of the Georgia Tech Athletic Association. This is our video demo for Sprint 2, and our product is currently in version 0.2.0. In this video demo, I will compare the features that we have completed on our product with our iteration plan. So let's take a look at that right now. Here we are, sprint number 2. The goal for this sprint was treatments, and here are the features that we wanted to complete. Create a treatments page with a table that displays treatments and an add treatment form. Treatments that are added should appear in our database as well as the treatments page. Now let's jump right into the app. For the sake of this video demo, I will go ahead and register a new user. Register. So here we are in a new profile. The first thing that every new user has to do on registering our app is to go ahead and edit their profile and choose whatever sport that they are a part of. So I will choose basketball women because that is a sport that I've always wanted to play. Save, and now we have our profile. Now let's take a look at our treatments page. It is currently an empty table because the user is a new user that just registered and does not have any existing treatments yet. This plus button right here will allow a user to add a new treatment. And here we are at the add treatment form. The user can fill out the treatment title, the student's name, and treatment content, which the user can use to leave any sort of comments for that treatment. So let's go ahead and fill it out. For the title, I will call this treatment 1. The student's name is Alice Liu. And the treatment content, I will just put hello, this is a new treatment. And then click the button down here to add the treatment. So here we are back at the treatments page. We can see that the table is filled out with one treatment so far, and it is the treatment that I just created with the title treatment 1. Now let's take a look at our backend database. Here we are using Firebase for our database because it has a very easily utilized API. You can see that our Smart Training Log has two databases inside of it, one for users and one for treatments. The users database will involve users, and they are organized by a unique user ID that is created when the user registers with our app. So nope, not that one. This one is the user that we just created. These two existed before this video demo. Each user will have the unique user ID, which I mentioned before, an entitlement, which will either be student, trainer, or admin, and a sport with which the user is associated with. In the treatments, we can see that the treatments are also organized by user ID. We can see that this user ID right here is the same as this user ID, which means that this treatment is for this user right here. If we expand this treatment, we can see that the treatment has a content field, a name field, a title field, and a UID field. And we can see that these involve the information that I just filled out in the form in our UI. So that about covers it for Sprint 2. These pretty much match up with the features that we wanted to accomplish in our iteration plan. Thank you very much for watching this video.